डॉक्टर हरगोविंद खुराना आपण काल बघितलेल्या लेक्चरमध्ये त्यांचं रिसर्च कॉन्ट्रीब्युशन जे आहे ते खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे. आणि डॉक्टर हरगोविंद खुराना यांनी जेनेटिक्स लेवलला, मॉलिक्युलर लेवलला त्यांनी रिसर्च केलेले. सो दिस खुराना is one of the important for their work on their molecular biology and their genetics. So this Khurana also their work on the chemical basis combined to form 3-letter words and that represent amino acids, the component from which proteins are constructed. The Khurana's role was to design the methods to prepare the ribopolynucleotides and this constructed as a ribonucleotide messengers of completely defined nucleotide sequences. Then this Khurana is used the RNA transcribing enzyme for the chemical synthesis of the deoxyribonucleotides. म्हणजे जसं आपण CUG, UC, UC एन्कोडेड LUCin याच्यावर त्यांनी काम केलेलं आहे. सो ही आहे डॉक्टर नेरेनबर्ग डिस्कवर्ड द UAG, UAA और UGA हे जे कोड आहेत आपण त्याला मॉलिक्युलर लेवलचे जे काही पॅटर्न म्हणतो स्पेसिफिक पॅटर्न्स, तर त्याच्यावर त्यांनी वर्क केलेलं आहे. त्याच्यानंतर त्यांचं रिसर्च वर्क जर बघितलं तर the RNA ribonucleic acid with 2 repeating units, that is UC-UC and UC-UC produced 2 alternative amino acids. This combined with the Nirenberg and Leder experiment shows that the UCU genetically code for serine and CUC codes for leucine. The RNA with 3 repeating units, that is UA, CUA, CUA, that is UAC, UAC, etc. and it produces 3 different strings of amino acids RNA. These RNAs with 4 repeating units including the UAG, UAA or UGA produced only dipeptides and tripeptides, thus revealing that the UAG, UAA and UGA are stop codons. Their Nobel lecture was delivered on 12 December 1968. So this lecture he said that it is one of the significant important to personal development of their lectures because of he delivered lecture on their research. So this Khurana was the first scientific chemical synthesis the oligonucleotides. This achievement in the 1970s was also the world first synthetic gene. In later few years back the process has become widespread. Subsequently the scientists refer to his research while advancing genome editing with the CRISPR, the Cas9 systems. Also subsequently he did the research on their specific works, he did the experiments and he extended the above long DNA polymers using non-aqueous chemistry and assembled into the first synthetic gene. So this synthetic gene is using the polymerase and ligase, the genetic codes, and the code is triplet codes. The nucleotides of mRNA, that is messenger RNA, are always arranged in linear sequences of 3 nitrogenous bases. The example AAA, AGA, AUG coding for the lysine, arginine and methionine respectively. The code is non-overlapping. The codons do not overlap and are read sequentially Same letter doesn't take part in the formation of the more than one codon. So the code is the commaless. The genetic code is without comma, that is no punctuations is required between the two codons and results in continuous coding of amino acids without interruptions. The code has polarity. It is read in fixed direction, that is 5-3, and it is read for the start initiation codon till the stop termination codon. The code is non-ambiguous. The particular codon will always code for the same amino acids, and in presence of the streptomycin, triple U codes for isoleucine, leucine or serine. The code is degenerate, म्हणजे हे जे कोड ज्या प्रकारे डिजेनरेट्स होते त्यांनी केलेलं आहे. अमिनो ॲसिड्स कॅन हॅव मोर दॅन वन कोडॉन कोडिंग फॉर इट, and this is called the degeneracy of the code. So due to this research purpose, the Dr. Khurana got their awards and honors. In addition to sharing the Nobel Prize while he was working at the University of Wisconsin Medicine in the USA, the Khurana was elected as a foreign member of the Royal Society in 1978, and in 1978 and in 2007 the University of Wisconsin Medicine, the Government of India, that is Department of Biotechnology, and the Indo-US Science and Technology Forum jointly created the Khurana program. The mission of the Khurana program is to build a seamless community of scientists, industrialists and social entrepreneurs in the United States of the India. डॉक्टर खुरानाला 2009ला 33rd स्टीनबॉक सिम्पोसियम मेडिसिनमध्ये एक अवॉर्ड मिळालेला आहे. असे बरेचसे प्राईज त्यांना मिळालेले आहे. कोलंबिया युनिव्हर्सिटीचं सुद्धा 1969ला, अमेरिकन अकॅडमी अचिव्हमेंट 1971ला, असे बरेचसे अवॉर्ड्स त्यांना मिळालेले आहे. आणि हे काम करत असताना खुराना डायड ऑन 9th November 2011 in Concord, the Massachusetts, at the age of 89, and his wife Esther and daughter Emiliani had died earlier. But Khurana was survived by his other two children. Julia Elizabeth later wrote about the father's work as a professor. Even while doing all his research, he was always really interested in education in students and young peoples.